Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix high GPU usage by client server on your Windows PC or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing high GPU usage problem on your Windows PC, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In left section you can see your Windows update, click on that. If there is any pending Windows update, just click on this search for update and install all the pending Windows update. After updating the Windows, just close this window and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Again you need to click on Start menu, then type here Device Manager. You can see a device manager, click on that. In this you need to find display adapter. You can see a display adapter. Just you need to find your graphics driver, just right click on that and click on update driver. Before clicking update driver, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click on update driver. Just search for automatically for the drivers and wait for some time to complete this updation process. And close this window and close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix high GPU usage problem on your client server. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.